Section 8.7, Example 2 on page 630, we have you can analyze a translation to determine how it relates to the parent function. So for example 2, we have used the graph of the parent function y equals sine of x. What is the graph of each translation in the interval from 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi? So I've gone ahead and drawn y equals sine of x between 0 and 2 pi for both parts A and B. Part A says to graph y equals sine of x plus 3, and part B says to graph y equals sine of x minus pi over 2. Since we have sine of x plus 3, we are going to shift 3 units up, which gives us a midline of y equals 3. So all you have to do is take your points from y equals sine of x and count 1, 2, 3 for every single point. And since we're only looking at 0 to 2 pi, I stopped once we reached 2 pi. This gives us the graph of y equals sine of x plus 3 between 0 and 2 pi. For part B, we are going to shift pi over 2 units to the right. So for each point we have, we can shift over pi over 2, which would be 2 tick marks. So we can do that for these 4 points. And then we can fill in the missing point here by following the pattern. For this translation, the midline does not change. It is still y equals 0. The work for this problem is written out on the next 2 slides. And now I would like you to try number 4. Graph the translation of y equals cosine of x in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Y equals cosine of x minus pi.